Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to put NGL Link on Facebook story. So first, let's go to our Play Store and then on the search bar type in NGL. Search and then the first one that says NGL Anonymous Q&A, click install. Now once that's done, tap open and then tap get started. Here it's asking what's your Instagram handle. That's basically your Instagram username. So if you know it, just go ahead and put it. Now once you have it there, tap done. The first thing that we're going to do is copy link from step 1. That is your unique link for your NGL. And then we can also tap step 2 to share directly to our Instagram story. So go ahead and tap share. You can go ahead and skip that, just tap next step. And then here, let's tap the sticker button. Let's look for the link sticker. So it's here, tap on that, and then just paste the unique link that we copied earlier. And then once it's done, just tap done. And then just move it down there to cover. And then all you have to do is share it, tap the arrow, and then tap share. Now from here, you've given an option to share it on your Facebook story. So you can go ahead and tap share from there to share it to your Facebook story. Now let me show you another way to do that. So from here, let's tap done. All right, and then let's view our story. And then there's an option for you there that says Facebook. So tap on that. And then it gives you some options like share to Facebook every time, share once, or not now. So if you want to automatically share your story, your Instagram story to your Facebook story, you can tap the first option. But if you just want to share this particular story just now, then tap on share once. And that's what we're going to do. So tap share once. All right, now let's check our Facebook story. All right, and then let's tap on that link to see if it works. Visit link. And there you go. That's it. That's how you put NGL Link on Facebook story.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.